Hey guys, how are you? This is Larry Mabry. I just wanted to touch base with you today. Okay, question. Raise your hand if you've ever been knocked down. Okay. Now, I wanted to kind of leave this point with you. We've all been knocked down. That's just a part of life. And I think most people who aren't successful, they focus on the knockdowns. A lot of people who are successful, even though you've been knocked down, you just get back up. And I mean, it's really intuitive. If you go back, you think about when you're a baby. You know, most babies, when they're learning how to walk, they're crawling around and they fall, okay? They get up, and guess what? They crawl, and they stumble, and then they fall again. But they get up and crawl, stumble, and then fall again. They get up. It's a continuous cycle. But what's really interesting with a baby is they don't have a fear. They look around their environment, they're looking up, they're looking at their parents, they're looking at their siblings, and their desire to walk is so much stronger that it doesn't matter how many times they fall, okay? I want to leave that with you today. A lot of people that I speak to who are struggling in their life, when we have this conversation, I hear the same type of thing, and it's always negative, negative, negative. But the difference between a person who's successful and a person who's not is their focus. Okay, I want to bring this into the equation for a second. Here we have a cup. Okay, a cup right here. Now, some people will say, "Oh, the cup is empty." Some people will say, "Oh, it's just a regular cup." There's air in the cup. Now I can go and get some water and pour it in here. Okay, we all know that whole hookup. My point is, what do you decide to focus on? Okay, it's all about your focus. That's so important for you to understand. Your focus determines where you're going to go in life. We all have problems. It happens. Okay, that happens. But the difference between somebody who's successful and somebody who's not is they don't let the problems determine them. They become problem solvers to the problem, okay? And their whole focus is different, all right? So I want to share that with you because if you're at a place in your life where you want to become a problem solver and you want to change your perspective on things, click on the button below. My goal, my vision is to go and work with a cadre of people. I'm looking for approximately 100 people who have this vision like myself to change their life, okay? And to do that, it's going to take you to get outside of your comfort zone. But what you need to understand is when you leap outside your comfort zone, that's when you grow. That's when you grow. Think about it. When your clothes gets too tight, what happens? You've grown. You may have gotten too big. Okay. The same thing can happen. Now, looking at it from a physical standpoint, you don't want that to happen. But from I would say from a spiritual standpoint, we want to grow. We want to expand. Okay. But you need to be plugged into the right people in order to do that. So click on the button below and follow me on this journey of wealth, of success, of abundance. Okay. Click on the button below and follow me on this journey. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Peace and love. Mabry out.